that. So maybe you are looking for ways to connect to your PowerMTA SMTP to your MailWizz so you can start sending your bulk emails. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PowerMTA SMTP to your MailWizz account. So if maybe you are just watching this video, you're planning on how to set up your MailWizz, but you don't know how to do that. So in one of our last video, you can just take it on our YouTube channel. I teach you how to set up your own MailWizz from beginning to the end. So, but if you don't know, or you don't want to go to the stress of setting up, but you want us to help you to set it up from A to Z from your MailWizz and your PowerMTA script, you can just start us on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video tutorial. But if you want to do it for yourself, so you have already set up your MailWizz and you want to connect to your PowerMTA SMTP, but you don't know how to do it, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. And if you don't know how to build your own PowerMTA SMTP, you can just click on this link under this video tutorial. It's going to show you how to build your own PowerMTA SMTP. Then you can start sending bulk emails. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Yeah, so welcome back. So to connect to your SMTP, so you have to use to log into your admin dashboard. So after logging into your MailWizz admin dashboard, so just come to your server, click on delivering servers. Then you can click on create a new server. So guys, you can add many SMTP server to your MailWizz. You can add Megon, MySendGrid, SMTP, can add Poster Web API, can add Amazon SCS, can add MailJet API, SMTP. You can add a lot of SMTP to it, but we are using PowerMTA SMTP. So you have to choose. You can choose SMTP PMTA. You will have to fill it, just to fill in your credential, your host name, username, password, from email, time and spot, from name, probability, send the code, quota, minute quota, just fill everything. So you are using PowerMTA, you can send thousands of emails per day. So if you are watching this video, you don't know how to set up your PowerMTA, or you want us to help you to set it up, you can just start us on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video, or you can get our copy course that's going to show you how to create your own PowerMTA server, so you can start sending bulk emails as you like. So I'm going to be using this credential. So I'm going to copy the IP. The host name. Name, you can name it anything, it does not have any effect with it. Your username. Just make sure there's no mistake. Your password. Your email from, you can use any email from, but I'm just using this email from. Your protocol port is going to be 2525. Ports, just leave like this if you are using PowerMTA. So from name, you can use anything. Sending quota, you can leave it, or you can just leave it like this, so you're able to send thousands of emails per day. You can just put it per hour. You can put it like 1,000 per day. Per day, you can put it 24,000 emails per day. So depending on how you set it. Then after that, you just click on save changes. Then we have to validate our server to make sure we are using good SMTP or not. So let me log into the Gmail we are going to use. Just copy your email. Validate server. Can you see it's still showing inactive? Can you see? So if you go ahead to start sending the email, it's not going to go because the SMTP has not been active has not been verified. Can you see it's still showing active? Can you see the second SMTP showing active? So you have to go to our email. So to check it, can you see our sender name is the sender name we use? That's what it used to deliver. So if you are looking for me to send email to any sender name that you want, maybe your company sender name, you can just set up MailWizz, so you can use any sender name of your choice. You just click on it. Validate so active, so it has been active right now. So you can go back to your front end, then create your list. After create your list, create your campaign, then you can start sending your work email. So if you want to add another SMTP as well, you can just click on create a new server, follow the same method to add the SMTP. So if you want to get lists that you want to be sending to, you can just go to atglist.com. You can get a lot of lists you want in any niche. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you.